Ardenne High is represented by Jada Wadsworth, Marco Dean Stewart, Yashika Jackson, and Roger Peaches. Jonathan Grant High is represented by Salim Watson, Chantel Davey, Sanjay Tennant, and Jerome Kessler. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to round one of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Ardenne High won and decided to go first. So we begin with Ardenne High. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Ardenne, we begin with chemistry. C6H5COOH is the formula for which acid?
C6H5COOH. So this is hexanoic acid.
Hexanoic acid!
Incorrect. Benzoic acid. Chemistry for Jonathan Grant. C7H16 is the formula for which gas?
Heptane.
Correct. Local affairs. Ardenne, please look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Mitri Siaga.
Correct. Local affairs for Jonathan Grant. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Cholet Cock.
Incorrect. Sydney Thwaites. General knowledge for Ardenne. What is the most famous invention of the German Johannes Gutenberg?
The sewing machine.
Incorrect. The printing press. General knowledge for Jonathan Grant. What is the most famous invention of the Scottish engineer John Logie Baird?
The television. The television.
Correct. Geography for Ardenne. In which Jamaican parish is the Jackson's Bay Cave?
Saint Anne.
Incorrect. Clarendon. Geography for Jonathan Grant. In which Jamaican parish is there a cave called Morgan's Pond Hole?
Cave. So Saint Elizabeth.
Incorrect. Manchester. Music for Ardenne. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
Wish you were living in my neighborhood so you could hang up the phone and rush on over.
Lila Ike.
No, that's J.C. Lodge. Music for Jonathan Grant. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
Marcia Griffiths.
Correct. Mathematics. How many edge or edges does a cube have?
12.
Correct. Mathematics. Jonathan Grant. How many edges does a cone have?
2.
Incorrect. 1. Theatre and cinema for Ardenne. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Shirley Ralph.
Shirley Ralph.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for Jonathan Grant. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Eddie Murphy. Eddie Murphy.
Correct. Ardenne history. In what year did Suriname achieve independence from the Netherlands?
1975.
Correct. Jonathan Grant history. Name the queen who signed the Declaration of Independence for Suriname.
Queen Elizabeth II.
Queen Elizabeth II.
Incorrect. Queen Juliana. Sport. Ardenne, look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Virat Kohli.
Incorrect. Ravindra Jadeja. And sports for Jonathan Grant. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma.
Incorrect. Jasprit Bumrah. Physics for Ardenne. If a train accelerates uniformly from rest at 0.4 meters per second squared over a distance of 2 kilometers, what velocity does it reach?
So 5 seconds.
0.8.
No, but 0.8.
500 meters per second squared.
Incorrect. 40 meters per second. Jonathan Grant, physics. A car accelerates uniformly from rest for 45 seconds with an acceleration of 5 meters per second squared. What is its final velocity?
9 meters per second.
9 meters per second.
Incorrect. 225 meters per second. Spanish. And that's a bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores at this time are Ardenne High on 4, Jonathan Grant High also on 4. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.